Hello everyone, Southern Mike here. Today I'm at the Naples Pier, Naples, Florida, where the pier has been destroyed numerous times by hurricanes and is currently closed waiting to be rebuilt. So come along and join me with a little history of the Naples Pier. We're at the Naples Pier, iconic landmark in Naples, Florida. Originally built in 1888, known for its fishing and sunset view. It is currently closed for reconstruction after significant damage from the hurricane in 2022. The pier has a long history of being rebuilt after various storms. The original purpose was for freight and a passenger dock. The pier has been rebuilt multiple times after hurricanes, including one in 1910, 1926, 1944, 1960, 2017, and the last one was 2022. The city is waiting for permits to begin to demolish and rebuilding to start in early 2026. Should take about 18 months. 140 feet of the pier, the end of the pier, still remains at the bottom of the Gulf. It's been blocked off so people won't walk out on the pier. There used to be a building on here that you could buy food. The repair of the Naples Pier is funded by a mix of sources. FEMA is chipping in $11.4 million. The rest is from state and local grants, donations through the Collier County Community Foundation. And we'll try to keep you updated, so subscribe so you can get the updates. And thank you for coming along. Please subscribe. And thank you once again.